playing the harp. I met this man literally 30 seconds ago. What is up, beautiful people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, this is a very weird video to be new to, but hi, welcome. Yeah, my channel is always weird, but today we're doing something extra weird. So, you guys know I'm notoriously single, and I just thought it would be fun to do a video of couples costumes, but since I don't have a boyfriend, I thought I would have to get a little creative and, you know, ask some strangers to do it with me. Amber, that sounds like a really weird idea. Yes, you're right, it is, but hey, you know, Halloween, time to be weird, so we're gonna get weird. So I am on good old Venice Boardwalk with my dear friend Alex. Hey. And we are going to literally do couples costumes with complete strangers. So how's this gonna work out? I don't know. I didn't really plan this because I don't really plan any of my videos, but I got a bunch of funny couples costumes on Amazon, and we're gonna see what we can come up with. So
the best things are unplanned.
Right? Exactly. So without further ado, here we go. I do couples costumes with strangers. Is this a mistake? I don't know, but here we go. Are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Ready! Okay, so like I said, I got a bunch of costumes on Amazon. We have all sorts of funny things, but I don't know what we're gonna start with. Maybe this. Okay, so I'm just gonna put those costumes on in the middle of this random little area because, you know, who cares? Okay, let's get naked and be soap. Wait, I'm screaming, why is this like haute couture? Fashion. Okay, so we're gonna go find the man to be soap.
Loki looks like something you would wear.
Thank you, honestly, it's couture. Fashion, okay, here we go. Okay, so this is the famous Venice Boardwalk. Oh my god, I don't even know what we're doing. This is gonna be so funny. Should we just go up to strangers?
Nice man over there. Strapping young lad.
I guess we'll just ask literally strangers. Okay, here we go. Alright, who should our first victim be? Okay, ready? Batman? Maybe he would do it. Please, sir, I'm begging you.
You have to get the rope. Yeah.
I'm screaming. Does this go down in history as the weirdest thing I've ever done? Probably.
No, I like to do it for
You look fabulous, sir. Look so good. Okay, are you ready for a couple's photo shoot?
Let's take a couple's photo shoot. Let's do it. Fabulous, right?
Fabulous. I think we look quite.
You guys look adorable. Bath and Body Works.
This is not sponsored by Bath and Body Works, but please send me free candles.
Yeah, send me some free stuff. While you at it.
This is literally a cute dress. Oh, voguing. We make a dashing couple, honestly. Okay, so that actually worked out. It did, it was cute. All right, next victim. I like being soap. Or no, I'm a loser. Harry Styles, this could be you. All right, kids, we're gonna sauce it up for this look. Don't try this at home. We're gonna try and find a Hugh Hefner. Right, we got the robe and everything. I don't think it'll be too hard to find someone to pose with me in this outfit, but also I've been wrong before, so okay, let's see. So you'll do it? Who wants to do it?
Both do it.
You'll both do it? Even better. Oh, this is good. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Blue. I'm sorry. Looks good. Great. Nailed it. Okay, ready? Close this up so you look legit. Looks great. Okay, now we're gonna take a picture. All right, we're gonna do salt and pepper next. I'm crying. I'm screaming. You look fashionable. It's cute.
No, shut up.
Vogue, sister.
Yes, it is.
Literally the high fashion. High fashion. French, Parisian. All right, let's find our men's. It's hot out here being a pepper. Actually, I'm a salt, whatever. Thank you. Oh my god, it looks good already.
I was like, damn, in my head that day.
Oh my god, this is such a look. Oh, this is gonna be so... Oh! It looks fabulous, sir. You look cute. It looks so good. I think it's on good. Oh my god, we look fabulous.
Dude, we look
absolutely fabulous.
Inspiring, you know what I mean?
We go together like salt and pepper. Can you sing?
I can freestyle for you.
Oh yeah, freestyle. Let's freestyle. Do a salt and pepper rap. Ready, go.
Let's see. Ooh, you know, salt. She's my stepper. Never salty. Always pepper.
Oh.
There's two. Hot. You can catch us on Venice Boardwalk.
Oh.
You can catch us on TV.
Hey! The red hot pepper.
Yes.
So how funny is this? We ran into some friends.
Hi.
Anything you want to say to YouTube?
This is a good channel. Subscribe to our channel.
Oh!
Excellent. Good DIYs on that video.
And then a bunch of whatever this is. Okay, next we're gonna do puzzle pieces. Oh boy. Oh yes, this is so flattering. Oh yes, now this is a flattering costume. So we gotta find someone to wear this one. Who's my missing puzzle piece? So it's actually much harder than anticipated to get people to be in this video, but I am dedicated. I'm gonna make this work. Also, yes, I am filming in a public restroom. I should move. Okay. Probably the most glamorous filming conditions for you.
I have to be so bad.
Thank you, sir. Okay, I feel like maybe we'll ask them. Okay, wait. Here, you hold the camera. We look so weird. Okay, wait. Okay, yeah, you hold. Give me the camera. Okay. Jesus Christ. This is literally so weird. I found my missing piece.
Oh my god.
Okay. Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh, you look so good. Yes. Ooh. Fire. Work it.
I feel really comfortable in this, actually.
You look like a there.
Should I crouch down so they actually do
Oh yeah. There we go. Look at that. Woo! I'm probably gonna fall. Dun 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 dun. Thank you, sir. It's very nice of you.
No, it's meant to be.
Great, that's enough of this outfit. It's really windy out here. Okay. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
This is my idea of a fun Saturday. I'm like the weirdest friend you'll ever have. Alrighty, one outfit left. Ooh, ooh. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we found the devil already.
Dropping this to myself, right?
Ahoy, hoy.
Okay, so sir, will you be a devil with me?
I will be a devil with you.
She now crowns you. I'm done.
I'm so tall. This is what the world is like from up here. I love it. I'm playing the harp. Any funny angel devil joke?
I don't know.
I don't know any jokes either. What did the angel say to the devil?
I don't know. What did the angel say to the devil?
Me either. I don't know any jokes. I'm so funny. Are you enjoying your friend doing this?
It's fantastic watching.
It's fun I've had with my clothes on.
Oh God. Okay. I guess.
It's a pleasure being a devil.
And on that note, I think we're done. Well guys, that was me doing couples costumes with strangers, but of course don't forget the real soulmate, of course, are always your girlfriends.
Yeah.
Because what do they say in Sex and the City?
Maybe our girlfriends are our soulmates and men are just to have fun with.
That is the truest tea there ever was.
Yeah.
So have Happy Halloween. I love you so much. From me and the devil to you. I don't know if I should sign off like that shit.
Don't sign off like that.
From me and a little bit of the dark side to you. XO. Vogue. Okay, anyway. Bye, guys. Don't call me.
Why? Oh, jeez.